We are pleased to show you the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, ventilated front seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.